We have seen towering peaks. We have seen how the birds move their beaks. We also know how our heart beats. But have you ever wondered what's beneath your feet? The crust is the outermost layer. It is where we live. It is like the skin of the apple. It is about 40 kilometers thick. In some areas, the crust is low. In some places, the crust is high. The low parts are called the seabed or the oceanic crust. The crust where we live is called the continental crust. The oceanic crust is hard and is made up of basalt. The crust is broken down into many sections. These sections are called tectonic plates. These tectonic plates shape our entire world. When they collide, they can build a mountain or they can cause a devastating earthquake. Just beneath the crust lies the mantle. The mantle is the largest layer and is about 2,900 kilometers thick. It is made up of iron, silicon and magnesium. All of these are in semi-solid form. You can think of it like a caramel candy. There is a lot of magma too in this layer. Sometimes it rises and penetrates through the cracks in the crust and causes a volcanic eruption. The tectonic plates float on the asthenosphere, which is a layer of molten rock in the upper edge of the mantle. The asthenosphere plus the tectonic plates, which are pieces of the Earth's crust, is called a lithosphere. The central part of the Earth or the core is divided into two parts, the inner core and the outer core. The inner core is a solid metal ball and has a radius of about 1,200 kilometers. It is extremely dense and is made up of iron and nickel. It is also very hot. It is about 5,400 degrees Celsius. The outer core is made up of the same materials as the inner core, except it is in a liquid form. It also gets very hot by the decay of elements such as uranium. This liquid churns in mammoth turbulent currents. This motion generates electronical currents, which in turn generates the Earth's magnetic field. The magnetic field is very important. It protects us from the harmful solar winds that are emitted from the sun. Scientists think that the life on Mars ended because of the absence of a magnetic field. So that's all for now, or until they find a new layer. This is Siddharth signing off.